students, welcome to online class. In previous class we discussed Mizbil the Otter part 1. Now we are going to discuss part 2. Before going to part 2, just I will recall what we discussed in part 1. Mizbil the Otter was written by Maxwell. He is Maxwell, already you have an idea. He is Maxwell. So he was very fond of otters. Many writings, he wrote many writings in the base of otters and he received many prizes also. So he thought that he had a pet, that is Johnny. After Johnny died, he felt alone. He thought that he want to bring another pet, but this time he want to bring an otter. So this is an otter, it is a mammal. This is an otter. He thought that he want to bring otter. The same thing he discussed with his friend. This time I want to do an experiment. So this time I want to brought an otter as my pet. What is the experiment here? Bringing otter as a pet. So his friend friendly said that, casually said that, for sure you'll get otter in the place Campesina. So there it is the place where how casual we'll see mosquitoes in our places. Otters also very familiar, otters also very casual in that places Campesona. At the same time otters was very fond of water, so you for sure you will get otters in that place. So Maxwell went to one general office, a register office, to receive an email from London. He waited for 5 days. He didn't receive any email. After 5 days, he received mail. By taking that mail, he returned to his house. So there he found two of the Arabs were sitting in squat position. They gave this sack. What is this? This is sack with twisting. So they gave this sack and he found that Maxwell found one letter, that is one note, it is an otter for you. In that way the note consists of, after he opened that sack he found one otter. So after opening that after he was finding that otter, he was really surprised, he was shocked. At the same time the otter was also feeling very uncomfortable. For the first day he was not able to mingle with the person, but in the second day it used to be play, it used to have fun in the bathroom, in the bathtub, by playing all the games and everything. So in that way it was happening. Now we will discuss now what will happen, how Maxwell is going to carry this otter from his place to London. All the things we will discuss in part 2. The days passed peacefully at Basra. Basra is the place where Maxwell was living present, but I dreaded the prospect of transporting Miss to England. What is Miss here? Miss is the name of the otter. Mizbil. Mizbil is the name of an otter which was kept by Maxwell. So, peacefully he was living in Basra with Mizbil, but dreaded the prospect means was in great fear of something that would happen in the future. I'm really fearing what will happen in the future of transporting Mizbil to England and to Campesina. The British airline to London would not fly animals. So I booked a flight to Paris on another airline and from there to London. The airline insisted that Miss should be packed into a box not more than 18 inches square to be carried on the floor at my feet. I had a box made, and an hour before we started, I put Miss into the box so that he would be accustomed to it and left for a hurried meal. Yes, he was worrying already. He was worrying that how I want to regarding transporting Miss Mizbil to England. But actually, the British airline to London would not fly animals. Only some airlines have permissions. Only some airlines permit animals into their flights. Here, British Airlines, they didn't give permission and they would not fly animals. So he booked a flight to Paris and from Paris to another airline to London. So he was staying in England in Basra. So he want to go through London. This is the London. London, he want to go to London, but he don't want to take a single flight. Whereas some airlines would not give permission to fly animals. So he took flight to Paris and another airline to London. The airline insisted that meat should be packed into a box not more than 18 inches square. So they for sure we have to mention with what we are carrying, with what we are entering into the flight. So Maxwell said that, informed that he was going to carry an animal. So they insisted that meat should be packed in a 8 inches box, that should be packed, neatly packed in an 8 inches box, to be carried on the floor at my feet. I had a box mate, and an hour before we started, I put Miss into the box so that he could become accustomed to it, and left for a hurried meal. Yes, he had one box. He arranged one square box which was 18 inches. So you can observe this box here, 18 inches. Before going to start his journey, he thought that he want to pack otter in that square box because it is to be accustomed. So to be carried on the floor at Maxwell's feet. I had a box and he packed Miss Bell in that box. And why 1 hour before he packed means that Miss Bell used to be accustomed, habituated to stay in the box calmly. In that way he thought, and he packed that box with the otter and he went for a hurried meal. Let's see what happened next. When I returned, there was an appalling spectacle. Appalling spectacle means a shocking scene. There was complete silence from the box, but from its air holes and chinks around the lid, blood had trickled and dried. I whipped off the lock and tore open the lid, and Miss, exhausted and blood spattered, whimpered and caught at my leg. See what happened. When he received after his hurried meal, it was a shocking scene for Maxwell. What happened? Silence from the box. There was a complete silence. Nothing was there. There was completely silent. But from it air holes and chinks around the lid in the sense that is the box, rectangular box. He used to say, really, he was worried about that. What happened? There is no sound. He observed that blood had trickled and dried from the lid box, from the holes of that rectangular box. He observed the blood. I whipped off. Whipped off means quickly took off the lock and tore open the lid. Immediately, he opened the lock and opened everything. Miss, exhausted and blood spattered, whimpered and caught at my leg. It was in a drastic situation that it was exhausted, really tired. It was feeling suffocated, isn't it, ma? A small animal, when we pack in a particular box, means it was not, it can't feel comfortable, isn't it? In the same manner, it was really exhausted there, blood spattered everywhere. Really, Maxwell felt very horrible this time. He had torn the lining of the box to shreds when I removed the last of it so that there were no cutting edges left. It was just 10 minutes until the time of the flight. It was just 10 minutes until the time of the flight, and the airport was 5 miles distance. I put the miserable Miss back into the box, holding down the lid with my hand. Yes, he removed all the lid and everything. He cut at the edges of, and there only he have only 10 minutes for the flight, only 10 minutes. Immediately he want to the airport was nearly 5 miles distance. Immediately he put that miserable Miss, that otter, into the box, and holding down the lid with his hand, he carried away it in a hurry manner. I sat in the back of the car with the box beside me as the driver tore through the streets of Basra like a ricocheting. Ricocheting means a bullet which changes direction after hitting a surface bullet, a resonating bullet. The aircraft was waiting to take off. I was rushed to it by infuriated officials. Luckily, the seat booked for me was at the Luckily, the seat booked for me was at the extreme front. I covered the floor around my feet with newspapers. rang for the air hostess, and gave her a parcel of fish to keep in a cool place. Hurriedly started, and it was only uh, 20 minutes he have time and he have to reach airport. The driver, how he was driving, Maxwell sat in the back of the car with the box beside him as the driver tore through the streets of Basra like a ricocheting means a bullet which changes direction after hitting a surface. Means here the writer was comparing how his situation, how the driver drive through the street. Means a bullet which changes direction. When a bullet hits the space, it changes its direction from this side to that side and this side in a very speed manner. So he was comparing the driving of the driver in with a ricocheting. The aircraft was waiting to take off. It was really the last minute. I was rushed through to it by infuriating. Infuriated means very angry on official. There is no need to angry upon any official because it was his mistake. Before 1 hour, he went to hurried meal. There, the orchard was really exhausted. After seeing the situation, he want to change everything. He want to again place the otter in that parcel box. Finally, he was too late, but the aircraft was really waiting to take off. Luckily, the seat booked for me was at the extreme front. So luckily, if it was late means again he want to check all his seat, again he want to do everything. But luckily his seat was booked front, very extreme front. I covered the floor around my feet with newspapers, ran for the air hostess, and gave her a parcel of fish to keep in a cool place. Yes, you can observe these pictures. This is ricocheting, a bullet which changes direction after hitting a. So you can observe this picture. This is the picture where bullet will change the direction after hitting a surface. You can observe this here. This is airplane, as you are very aware of this, and this is fresh fish. You can get it out that what is this fresh fish for. This is the fresh fish for Miss. He mentioned here Miss. Miss means Mizabel the otter. So to keep in a cool place. I took her into my confidence about the events of the last half hour. I have retained the most profound admiration for that air hostess. She was the very queen of her kind. She suggested that I might prefer to have my pet on my knee, and I could have kissed her hand in the depth of my gratitude. But not knowing utters, I was quite unprepared for what followed. See, I took her into my confidence. Here the meaning of my confidence means shared with her my experience or secrets about the events of the last half hour. Means here Maxwell explained each and everything to the air hostess what he had faced in last hour. Means what he had faced. He had a nota. He want to take journey with that Mizabel. So before 1 hour, he packed that Mizabel into the square box. There, the Mizabel after he received from hurried meal, Mizabel was in a drastic situation. It was really exhausted. All these things he he shared to air hostess. Here, my confidence means shared with her my experiences or secret. Whose experiences? Experiences of Maxwell. I have retained the most profound admiration for that air hostess. Why he said this sentence means she was really very sweet. Means she was very kind. She allowed to carry to travel with his pet on his knee, and I could have kissed her in the depth of my gratitude. Gratitude in the sense being thankful. In the way of being gratitude, just he kissed his hand. But not knowing utters, I was quite unprepared for what followed. Really, he don't have any knowledge or really don't know what I have to do with the utters. How what are the precautions he have to take when he was going on to journey. So really, it was a strange experience for our author Maxwell. Miss was out of the box in a flash. He disappeared at high speed down the aircraft. There were squawks and shrieks, and a woman stood up on her seat screaming out, "A rat! A rat!" I caught sight of Miss Tail disappearing beneath the legs of a portly, white turbaned Indian. See what happened. Suddenly, from the out of the box, in a flash, Miss Wilbur disappeared. Of course, when we are traveling in aircraft, for sure, for the new people, they will feel some uncomfortable, right? Here, Misville used to be nearly for 2 hours in that square box. So suddenly it was disappeared. Suddenly quacks and shrieks. It was the sounds made by people or sounds made by all the things. It was disturbed in the flight. So suddenly one woman stood up her seat, screaming out, "A rat!" Screaming out means shouting, "A rat! A rat!" in that way. A rat! A rat! I caught sight of Miss Tail disappearing beneath the legs of a portly, white turbaned Indian. Suddenly, that miserable tail was able to see by the author. It was beneath the legs of a portly. You can observe this picture. Portly means a stout, white turban Indian. So he is white turban Indian. Turban means headdress. Headdress. For some particular religion, they used to have headdress. This is this one, ma, white turban. It is a headdress, Indian. Diving for it, I missed but found my face covered in curry. Perhaps, said the air hostess with the most charming smile, it would be better if you resume your seat and I'll find the animal and bring it to you. So, what the air hostess said with a charming smile, of course, they'll have too much of patience. Though we are showing so much of anger in our face, so much tension in our face, air hostess used to be console us, air hostess used to make us comfortable to make the journey safe. So, while it was really a difficult situation, really confusing situation in the aircraft, she was saying with a charming smile, it would be better if you resume your seat. Just occupy your seat and I will find the animal and bring it to you. I returned to my seat. After listening these words said by air hostess, Maxwell returned to his seat. He was craning my neck, trying to follow the hunt, when suddenly I heard my feet a distressed chitter. Chitter, as we discussed earlier, chitter is a sound made by otters of recognition and welcome, and Miss bounded onto my knee and began to nuzzle my face and neck. Finally, when Maxwell received his seat when he was relaxing, he he heard the chittering sound of recognition and welcome. For example, we received after a long time to our home when our pet missed a lot. After coming to home, really our pet received in a different manner with a different sounds, making different sounds, and climbing up, bonded up on us, and climbing up and licking our face with his tongue and everything. So this was happened in the situation. Just we'll go through the oral comprehension check before discussing what happened. Finally, is that journey is really safe and how miserable was. Finally, he reached to London or not. All these things we discussed. Before discussing that, just go to oral comprehension check. How was Miss to be transported to England? Of course, Miss booked a flight. Maxwell booked a flight to Paris, and from there he would go on London. The airline insisted that Miss should packed in a box. In a box, Miss is going to travel. What did Miss do to the box? Of course, when Maxwell had put in the box, it was really after returning from 1 hour of his hurry meal. It was really a terrible situation, a suspense scene for Maxwell. That used to be the blood, complete silence from the box. It was stink around the lid. The blood had trickled and dried. He took off the log where he observed Mizbel was really exhausted, and he removed the last of that, so he were there no cuttings edges left. So this is the situation where Mizbel went into the rectangular box. Why did Maxwell put the otter back in the box? How do you think he felt when he did this? Putting the otter back in the box, in the sense you want to travel along with the otter. If you want to travel with the otter means definitely you want to pack in a box. You should not left in that way. So by having some alternatives, he want to pack. When he was packing the otter again, he felt that it was really miserable. Why does Maxwell say the air hostess was the very queen of her kind? Means when he explained, Maxwell explained his situation before half an hour. She used to be very kind. She allowed to permit to keep his pet on his knee. So that's why he said that the very queen of kind. What happened when the box was opened? When the box was opened, really report it immediately. Miss will report it immediately. Several passengers were shrieked. Some of them were screaming that it was a rat. Miss, they have don't idea. They have no idea what is this animal was, what is this creature was. So that's why they were squeaking, screaming, and it was really they were confused, they were scared. Finally, it was disappeared beneath the legs of an Indian passenger who had a headdress with a stout personality. And finally, air hostess suggested to take seat. After resuming his seat, after resuming Maxwell's seat, finally he found Miss Bell. After an eventful journey, Maxwell and his otter reach London, where he has a flat. Finally, they safely reach London. Miss and I remained in London for nearly a month. Who is I here? Maxwell and Miss Mill remained in London for nearly a month. He would play for hours with a selection of toys like ping pong balls, marbles, rubber fruit, terrapin shell, that I had brought back from his native marshes. Here, really, Mizbil was enjoying with Maxwell. He was having a really a good time with Maxwell in playing like ping pong balls, marbles, rubber fruit. Terrafin shell means the shell of small turtle found in North America. This is one type of playing toy. With the ping pong ball, he invented a game of his own which could keep him engrossed. Engrossed means completely interested in for up to half an hour at a time. A suitcase that I had taken to Iraq had become damaged on the journey home, so that the lid, when closed, reminded a slope from one end to the other. Miss discovered that if he placed the ball on the high end, it would run down the length of the suitcase. He would dash around the other end to ambush its arrival, hide from it, crouching to spring up, take it by surprise, grab it, and travel, and once more. Yes, he used to be miserable, used to be engaged in playing different types of games like ping pong balls, marbles. As we discussed earlier, marbles was one of the favorite games for otters. So different games. Finally, he found one game that he used to want to play with suitcase. So when he was returning from Iraq, the suitcase was somehow damaged. So Otter thought that he discovered a new game that placing the ball at the end of the suitcase where it used to be placed in the high level, and when visible means Otter went into the down level, it used to be catch that. So this was really interesting game for Mizable, which was invented by his own. Outside the house, I exercised him on a leg, precisely as if he had been a dog. Miss quickly developed certain compulsive habits on these walks in the London streets, like the rituals of children who, on their way to and from school, must place their feet squarely on the center of each paving block, must touch every seventh upright of the iron railings, or pass to the outside of a second lamp post. Opposite to my flat was a single-storied primary school, along whose frontage ran a low wall some 2 feet high. On his way home, but never on his way out, Miss would tug me to this wall, jump onto it, and gallop the full length of his 30 yards to the hopeless distraction both of people and our staff within. Yes, how Maxwell treating this miserable means this otter is really like a dog. When we have a pet dog, for sure we will take the dog for walking or jogging or whatever it is. In the same manner, Misbill also developed compulsive habits. Compulsive habit means habits impossible to control. So he also Misbill also developed this type of habits. Means in that London streets, what are that habits means rituals of children. When also, for example, I'll say when we you people have the school in a walkable distance, how you used to come to school in a very calm manner, having your bag and everything in a very calm manner, you'll come to school. if it is a walkable distance, you want to go to school through by walk, means how will it come? By having, you will have some favorite spots on the way. You'll stay for some time, or you will play for some time, and then you will move on, isn't it, ma? In the same manner, the children used to hear, the Maxwell was explaining how the children used to play in that London roads, by paving blocks, by putting steps from one place to another, and finally reaching the second lamp post. In that way, he was explaining how he is going to share his walking or jogging with his favorite pet otter. And one more thing, he was sharing that it was a single story primary school with a ran low wall of 2 feet. While he was returning from home, Miz used to jump onto it and get off the full length of it, and he used to be distraction both the pupils and of staff within. He used to distract the concentration of pupils, means students and the staff who are there in that school. If he's not, I suppose in any way strange that the average Londoner should not recognize that otter. But the variety of guesses as to what kind of animal this might be came as a surprise to me. Yes, Londoners don't have an idea about otters. They was really surprised. Otters belong to comparatively small group of animals called musclines, shared by the badger, mongoose, weasel, stoat, mink, and others. These are the different types of animals which belongs to mustelines. Mustelines is a brand of an animals, where family, eternity of one particular family of animals. I faced a continuous barrage of conjectural questions. Conjectural questions means a stream of questions filled with guesses. We also, when we look at a strange animal, we guess some names. Maybe this animal belongs to that entity, this animal belongs to that range, in that way. But the utter more random guesses hit on a baby seal. most of the guesses most of the guesses were, so many of them, they thought that this belongs to a baby seal family and a squirrel. Sometimes some of them, they said that it was a squirrel. Is that a walrus? Mr. reduced me to giggles, and outside a dog show I heard a hippo, a beaver, a bear cub, a leopard. In that way, so many questions came to their mind that they were guessing. They were not sure about which animal it was, but they were guessing that it was belongs to subfamily of animal, which includes otters, weasels, minks. In that way, so many of them were saying that, and some of them, they said it is also belongs to hippo. This is hippo. You can observe this picture here. There are different types of animal which belongs to masculines gender. So this is a beaver. So so many people, why they were guessing, means Londoners, they don't have any idea, they are not able to recognize an otter, but they were guessing that this belongs to this family, this belongs to this way, this the sub family of animals like otters, vessels. In that way, they were not clearly mentioning that this is otter. But the question for which I awarded the highest score came from a laborer digging a hole in the street. So up to now, Maxwell facing different questions, that every member in that London who saw this otter, this Mezebel, they were asking, and they were guessing a different name. But one of the question which awarded highest score in the view of Maxwell is that, which was asked by a laborer who was digging the hole in the street. You can observe this picture, a laborer digging hole in the street. I was still far from him when he laid down his tool, put his hand on his hips, and began to stare. As I drew nearer, I saw his expression of surprise and entranced, as though he would have me known that he was not one upon whom to play jokes. I came abreast of him. He spat, glared, and then rolled out, "Here, mister, what is that supposed to be?" Yes, here he was observing the man, the laborer who was digging a hole in the street. He was observing, and he was doing his work. But after seeing that otter, he just laid on his stool down and put his hands on the hips in that this way, and began to stare, continuously looking at the otter. As they drew nearer, when Maxwell was coming near to that laborer, finally he asked, "Mister, what is that supposed to be?" in that way. This is the final question of and good question of highest score, the question which awarded highest score in the view of Maxwell, asked by the laborer, that he directly asked what is that supposed to be. He was not guessing this animal, maybe this animal maybe belongs to this, or this animal maybe squirrel or hippo or whatever it may be. He was not asked this type of questions directly. He asked what is that supposed to be, in that way. This is the final question of laborer. This is about Mizabel the otter. Just go through the questions. What game had Miss invented? Too many games. He was already we come to know Miss Bill was very interested in playing ping pong ball, all the things, but he invented the game with the suitcase which was damaged on the way to home. So he planned a game with the suitcase and a ball. This was the new game invented by Miss Bill. What are compulsive habits? What does Maxwell say, or the compulsive habit of school children or Miserable? Compulsive habits means the habits which was impossible to control. For school children, some of the habits, as we discussed as example, when you people are way to school, you are not able to come to school uh, in a very silent manner, in a dignified manner, carrying your bag, but you have some favorite spots used to get there. So these are the compulsive habits of school children. So compulsive habits means impossible to control. What are the compulsive habits of school children? Staying some particular place and moving there and there, so spending some time in that way. What is the compulsive habit for Mizable means jumping onto the one school was there in front of Maxwell house, jumping onto the distracting both the students and staff. This is a compulsive habit of Mizable. Coming to the third question, what group of animals do otters belongs to? As we discussed earlier, otters belongs to mustelines, stayed by badger, mongoose, weasel, stoat, mink, and others. So it comparatively belongs to small group of animal. In that group, we can observe all these things. These are the groups that otters belongs to. What guesses did the Londoners make about what Miss was? Of course, the Londoners, they were not able to recognize an otter. So they had made different guesses about what the Miss Bill was. So some of them, they said that they guessed a baby seal, a squirrel, a walrus, a hippo, a beaver, a bear cub, a leopard, and brontosaurus. So they have guessed different types of names because they don't have an idea about otter. What things does Miss do which tell you that he is an intelligent, friendly, and fun-loving animal who needs love? Yes, Miss Bill was an intelligent animal because he invented its own game of the ping pong balls, and it screwed the tap till water began to flow. This situation happened in the very beginning day when when Maxwell brought this. Miss Bill thought it was Alof. Alof means alone and indifferent in the beginning, but soon it became very friendly to Maxwell. It responded when Maxwell called out his name. So by this all things said that it was really intelligent and friendly and fun-loving animal. What are some of the things we come to know about otters from this text? Otters belongs to comparatively small group of animals. That is the one thing, that is mustelines. Different types like mongoose, weasel, stoat, mink, and others. And we come to know the geologist name that Lutrogale Perspicillata maxwelli. They are found in large numbers in marshes and they were tamed by Arabs. These are the interesting facts we know about otters from this text. Why is Mrs. Spices now known to the world as Maxwell's otter? Maxwell otters was raised previously unknown to science and was then named by zoologists that Retrogale, Passilla, Maxwelli or Maxwell's otter. Why it was familiar of Maxwell's auto means Maxwell used to be very friendly and he wrote many books, he wrote many stories on otters, so in that way it became very familiar. I hope you understood this topic. Hari Om.